An individual by the name of Nathan Ang has cracked the code, or more accurately, created the code, for a completely automated YouTube channel. In his in-depth Medium article, which is linked below, he offers a guide to automatically collecting and posting videos to YouTube using the Python programming language. The good news is, whether you're a programmer or not, you can take advantage of this strategy to create your own automated channel. Using Nathan's guide as our blueprint, we're going to show you exactly how to use this strategy to get millions of views on YouTube without even lifting a finger. This strategy automatically compiles memes into full-length content and posts it onto YouTube. You can keep this code running in the background and set it to post every single day, or at whichever interval you choose. Here's everything you need to know. Choosing your channel. You can make compilation videos on just about anything, from popular music videos to sports reels, television show clips, or even trending TikTok videos. But one of the easiest automated channel ideas involves making compilations of memes. This is generally the safest choice too, as sports and popular music can easily be claimed for copyright, limiting your money-making potential. Scrape online content. Memes can be found everywhere, from Facebook and Instagram to Reddit and message boards. This step involves finding the best content from these locations and downloading them for your videos. To automate this process, create a dedicated Instagram account, or an account on any other platform, and follow all of the top meme pages. Then, write a script to log into your Instagram account and download all of the videos that have been posted in the last 24 hours by each of the accounts you follow. You can do this automatically with Instagram's API and Python. Nathan used two Python libraries known as Instaloader and Instalooter to pull this off, which you can copy directly from his blog post. Edit the compilation. Once you have all of your scraped meme videos in a folder, you can use a Python library called MoviePy to compile them all into a single compilation video. Again, this can be done completely automatically, creating a full-length video that's ready for upload. Publish the video. To post your new compilation video automatically, you'll have to use the YouTube API. Simply create a new YouTube channel and complete the API Quick Start Guide. Then, you can use Nathan's uploading script to upload the video automatically. After you've done this, you can go and check YouTube, and you should notice that the video has been posted to the channel. The only details you may want to add here are custom titles or descriptions, which can also be automated or set to defaults depending on your preferences. Cleanup. If you leave this automation program running every single day, eventually you're going to run out of space on your computer. To avoid this, you'll have to clean out your temporary files periodically. But Nathan gave us a tip here too. You can use more Python coding to routinely clean out these files and ensure that you always have space for more compilation videos. Final touches. Now that we have all of the pieces of the puzzle, all there's left to do is put it all into a single function. After you've assembled your components and have the program up and running, set your computer to never turn off. Nathan even recommends using an old computer that you're not using anymore, so you can just keep it running in the background, posting new compilation videos every day indefinitely. So a huge shout out to Nathan for sharing this online, and be sure to visit his blog post for the exact code you can use to start this up for yourself. Or for more automated YouTube channel ideas, check out our previous video right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.